Hi, welcome. My name is Larry Flick. I'll be your professor for small business management for the spring semester 2023. I wanted to introduce myself and take you through our Blackboard class site. To start, let's look at our class site announcement page. You will always land here when you log in. The newest announcements will always be at the top. As you can see, there is a welcome announcement giving you some basic information, and below that will be a link to this video. And below that are some quotes that I want to share with you. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. This is something I will try to do throughout the semester. Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn. I will make every effort to encourage your involvement in this course. Please read the other statements as I think they are important. Now, looking at the main menu on the left, we will navigate to each link starting at the top so you will know where everything is located on our class site. We have already talked about the announcements page, so let's go to the Syllabus Schedules link. Here you will find 4 links. Let's start with the syllabus. I want you to read it all, but especially focus on the grade computation section. This is how your final grade will be computed. Exams will be worth 50%, papers will be worth 20%, discussion board questions 10%, video cases 10%, and chapter quizzes 10%. Now let's go back to the Syllabus Schedules link. Here you will find a complete rundown of all assignments from week 1 through week 17. I recommend you put important dates on your personal calendar. The other links are college schedule, efforts versus outcomes. They are important and I recommend you click on each to get a better understanding of the course. Now, let's look at the course content link. This may be the most important link in the course, where you will find other links such as Getting Started, Our Class, Small Business Management, MindTap, and Week 1 through Week 16 assignments. Getting Started gives you a list of things to do as soon as possible. Our Class is where we will post short bios and pictures of all the students in the class. Small Business Management is where you will need to initially click to get registered with MindTap. Then to follow are assignments for weeks 1 through 17. For example, week 1 summarizes things to do, gives you our textbook information, and other important links to get you started in the right direction. Then weeks 2 through 17 gives you a summary of assignments and the links to each. Now, let's take a look at the discussion board. Note that there are 2 questions that you will need to answer for each chapter. There are no deadlines other than they all must be completed by the end of the semester. I'll be reading your entries each week, but will not give you feedback unless I question your answers. If you complete all the chapter questions with acceptable answers, you will get 100% for your work on the discussion board. Next is a link to our virtual office classroom. Should we want to meet using WebEx, this is the link we would use. I will be available to you on demand and would like to meet you on WebEx, where I can answer your questions and possibly solve any problems by sharing screens. All we would need to do is set a time to meet. Now, let's look at messages. All communications related to this course should come through our Blackboard class message system. It is the only way I can keep track of everything. Every time you enter our Blackboard class site, you should check for messages. When you click on messages, you come here. To send a message, you click here. Then click to and select the person you want to send your message to. Then enter the subject and write your message. Keep in mind that you can also include attachments. Once complete, click Send. The other links in the main menu are My Grades, college policies, CSCU online help desk, TRCC student resources, TRCC college directory, and my e-portfolio, all of which I would like you to explore separately. That completes the video review of our class site. I hope that has been helpful to you. One of the most important things you can do to be successful in this class is communicate with me and your fellow students using our Blackboard class message system or WebEx. To start, please send me your short bio and picture for the Our Class page. Let me know if you have any questions. Best of luck.